Now let's move on the third period, the medieval theater from 500 CE to 1400s. During the medieval era, theater performances were not allowed throughout the Europe. To keep the theater alive, minstrels, though denounced by church, performed in markets, public places, and festivals. Now let's go to the next period, the Renaissance theater, from 1400s to 1600s. Renaissance theater's arts were characterized by a return of classical Greek, Roman arts, and culture. During the Middle Ages, mystery plays formed a part of religious festivals in England and other parts of Europe during the Renaissance period. Morality plays and university drama were formed to recreate Athenian tragedy. The famous actor and poet who emerged in this period was William Shakespeare. He was an English poet, playwright, and actor and was regarded as the greatest writer and dramatist in the whole world. Now let's talk about the innovation of stage happened in the Renaissance period. The proscenium was developed. This is the area of a theater surrounding the stage opening. Arches frame and divide the stage from the audience. Backdrops for every scenery were popularized by the art of painting and clothes. Commedia dell'arte, or comedy of the profession, was developed. It was quick-witted performance of the characters or players. Now let's move on to the next period, the Baroque theater, from 1600 to 1750. The theater of Baroque period is marked by the use of technology in current Broadways or commercial plays. The theater crew uses machine for special effects and scene changes which may be changed in a matter of seconds with the use of ropes and pulleys. The theater in the Baroque period was richly decorated. The multiplicity of plot turns and a variety of situations characteristic of mannerism, a variety of approaches or intellectual sophistication as well as using artificial qualities of the play, were succeeded by opera. Now, the next period is the Neoclassical theater from 1800 to 1900s. The Neoclassical period was a movement where the styles of Roman and Greek societies influenced the theater arts. During this period, the theater was characterized by its grandiosity. Costumes and sceneries were highly elaborate. The main concepts of the plays were to entertain and to teach lessons. The concept of decorum, or right and proper audience behavior, was applied in this period, which means classical concepts and appropriate social behavior must be observed. This period officially established just two types of plays, tragedy and comedy.